Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glutathione Skin Whitening Easy Guide. Begin by choosing a reputable glutathione formulation and confirm dosage with a dermatologist. Use consistent timing, preferably in the morning with vitamin C to boost absorption. Track results monthly and stop if you notice irritation or unusual symptoms. Prioritize sun protection daily and combine topical antioxidants for safer, gradual brightening. Always discuss long-term plans and alternatives with your healthcare provider. Choose the right form of glutathione based on safety and convenience while consulting a professional. Start with conservative dosages and document any changes in skin or health. Pair oral glutathione with vitamin C to support absorption and effectiveness. If considering Roman IV treatment, seek a licensed clinic and understand risks and costs. Use topical antioxidants concurrently for added protection. Always prioritize medical guidance over anecdotal dosing recommendations for safe results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and supplements simple and spill-free, which is handy when organizing doses or travel kits. I find them durable and easy to stack, perfect for busy routines tied to skincare plans. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like it, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Apply products consistently and keep routines simple to improve adherence and results. Cleanse gently, then apply topical antioxidants or glutathione creams as directed by your provider. Avoid mixing strong actives without professional advice to reduce irritation risk. Wear broad-spectrum sunscreen every day and reapply when exposed to sun or water. Photograph treated areas monthly under consistent lighting to monitor progress objectively, and share updates with your healthcare professional for safe adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.